Ever wondered how it would be like if objects could transform and adapt over time, all by themselves? Welcome to the captivating world of 4D printing, where this seemingly far-fetched idea is inching closer to reality. Sure, you've heard of 3D printing, but 4D printing takes it a step further. It's not just about creating three-dimensional structures anymore. With 4D printing, we're designing objects that can change, adapt, and transform over time. Think of it as objects having a life of their own. A piece of clothing that adjusts to temperature changes, a bridge that expands when it rains, or even a prosthetic limb that grows with its user. This is the transformative power of 4D printing, breathing life into inanimate objects, making them responsive, adaptive, and, dare we say, almost alive. Imagine a world where objects evolve, adapt, and transform. That's the promise of 4D printing. Now, let's dive into the transformative potential of 4D printing. Imagine a world where your furniture assembles itself, where buildings adapt to changing weather conditions, and medical implants morph to fit perfectly inside your body. This isn't a sci-fi movie plot. It's the incredible potential of four-dimensional printing. The practical applications of 4D printing are vast and varied. In the realm of construction, imagine a bridge or building that could adapt its structure in response to environmental factors. A skyscraper that could change its shape to withstand heavy winds, or a bridge that expands and contracts with temperature fluctuations. This could revolutionize infrastructure, increasing longevity and reducing maintenance costs. In the field of furniture and product design, 4D printing offers a world of self-assembling objects. Picture a flat-pack table that, when exposed to heat or moisture, unfolds and assembles itself into a fully formed piece of furniture. This could dramatically simplify assembly processes and reduce shipping costs. Healthcare is another sector where 4D printing holds immense potential. Imagine a world where medical implants like stents or orthopedic implants are printed to perfectly match an individual's anatomy. Once implanted, these devices could adapt and change as the patient's body heals, ensuring a perfect fit and optimal recovery. Beyond these applications, the potential uses for 4D printing are limited only by our imagination. Clothing that adjusts to body temperature, cars that repair themselves, space structures that assemble themselves in the harsh conditions of outer space. The possibilities are vast and thrilling. With the ability to create objects that change and adapt over time, 4D printing is set to redefine manufacturing and design. It's a technology that promises to make our world more efficient, more personalized, and more adaptable. With 4D printing, we're not just creating objects, we're creating objects that evolve.